Hey guys, it's Jill, and today I'm going to be reviewing a product that I've been wanting to review for a very long time. I actually bought this back in January, but I just never got around to filming it, and I didn't want to try it without doing a first impressions video. So this is the Kiss Falscara. I started getting a lot of ads for it on Facebook. I don't know if that was just like a me thing or if everyone did, but I went to buy prom makeup. I needed like lipstick and lashes or something like that, and my friend needed to get her eyebrows waxed. So I was kind of just waiting around for her, just walking around Ulta, and in the false lashes section I saw this and I remember seeing the ads, and so I grabbed it. So basically what this is an alternative to fake lashes. Of course it's still fake lashes, but it works a little bit different. It comes with, I believe, just one set of the individual lashes for like a full set of lashes, a sealer, a bonder, and then an applicator. And for the starter kit, I'm looking it up right now, it was $19.99 to get this set. So it is not super cheap, but I do have an alternative that I'll get to later that can make this cheaper. I'll talk more about the directions whenever I actually try the lashes, but the idea is that you'll brush on the bonder, and then with this applicator you take the lashes and you go under your lash line. So normal individual lashes, the traditional way of using them is to still go over your lashes and over your lash line like you would a normal strip lash, but this is intended to go under. And that was a trend a while back on YouTube and Instagram. People would put their strip lashes under their eye and sometimes they'd cut it up. But the difference between that and this is they still used glue. The mascara kind of serves as the glue. What's attractive to me about this is they market it as a very easy product to use. A lot of the advertisements and comments on the post said that even people who can't put on normal lashes by themselves can still use this product, which I thought was really cool. I like strip lashes and I don't have a lot of trouble putting them on, but it isn't something I wear on a daily basis or even special occasions. I only really wear lashes whenever I'm going to a school dance or a pageant event or things like that. Even though I don't use strip lashes often, I am a little bit more into individual lashes like this. And what I like about this is how natural it looks. You can really get close to your lash line and hide them, and they're really not hard to put on. So that's what I like about this, and that's why I think I'm really going to like this. So this is the first time that I'm using these lashes, but my sister actually bought these too, and she is not a lash fan. I've put false lashes on her before and she likes it, but she wants it to look really natural and she doesn't really like when you can tell. And so she actually really likes these and she's used them a couple times, and she's never put on false lashes before, and she said it was super easy, super simple, no problem. So I'm hoping it's the same for me. So as you can probably tell, I don't have any mascara on, which is why I kind of look a little dead, but I'm gonna read the directions and go for it. I don't know if you're supposed to start with mascara on or if I need to curl my lashes or anything like that. And it doesn't really say. I only really have one concern about this product, and it's how long these individual lashes are. I don't know if you can see, but here is a normal individual lash. Here, it's like what a normal one looks like, a short one. And these are really long. And originally I was thinking that's kind of normal because if you think about it, these are going under your lashes. And so a normal individual lash would go on top, so it can be a little bit shorter and still give you length. But this one has a little bit further to go because it's under your lashes. But at the same time, I really don't like super long fake lashes. So my plan with this is to try the ones that they give you at first. And if I'm not into it, I'm gonna use these Ardell individual lashes that I use a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit actually. Hi. Okay, zoomed in. I'm gonna be looking this way because that's where my mirror is. So, step 1, bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Step 2, wisp under, okay, yeah. Right upon opening this, I already kind of have an issue with it I don't know if you can tell, but the applicator brush has little patches in it. I don't know if it's supposed to come like this because on the back, that's not what the applicator looks like. I don't think that really affects how it works, but it's notable. Now I'm gonna start applying the lashes. But that's kind of nice. It's like a little tray that you just pull them right out. That's really nice. Okay, here we go. Nope. Okay, so first try was unsuccessful. Second try was also unsuccessful. Okay, so maybe I didn't put enough of the bond. It said a little goes a long way, so I didn't want to overdo it, but it's apparently a lie. There we go. That went on. Okay, I already feel like these are way too long, but I am gonna do the whole set of lashes. That way you can see what it looks like as it comes. Okay, I don't know what just happened, but my top waterline was glued to my bottom. I don't know how this is supposed to work. Okay, that hurts. Like it actually hurts. Yeah, my bottom lashes are like getting glued to the top ones, and the bond is black, and so it's like getting a little messy. I think what happened is I put the lash a little bit too far and it was like sticking to my eyeball, which is kind of gross, but so maybe if I put it more towards the lash line and less on the waterline. Oh my goodness, what is happening? Oh. Can't get it out. Okay, so my eye's like really irritated now. It hurts. It hurts so bad. I'm crying. My sister can hear me saying ouch, and she said that I'm probably just doing it wrong. But I don't know why I'm having trouble with this because she's never put on lashes before and this was so easy for her, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Did you use the one it comes with or like individuals? Okay. She also, though, started out with the individual lashes, which is what I'm gonna do after this. So maybe that's the difference. I think I'm, again, still putting it too close to my waterline. I think an important part of this product is it's not sticking to your waterline. You're sticking these lashes to your natural lashes, which I'm not completely against, but if you make a mistake and you try to pull it off, you're gonna pull off your natural lash too if you're not careful. It does come with a falscara remover, which I actually don't think I'm gonna try today because I have another video I need to film after this. But it does come with a remover, and so I'm sure they kind of cover that, but oof. Okay, so I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna add some more bond. I need to stick it to my natural lash and not my waterline. The last lash, I can't get far enough into the inner corner because I don't have enough natural lashes right there for it to stick to. So this doesn't look good. Yeah, I hate this. I actually hate this. This is what I thought was gonna happen. I kind of have like a Cruella de Vil thing happening with these weird, maybe not Cruella de Vil, maybe another Disney villain. But see how it's just like super long? It didn't really add much thickness. It's just kind of long. And so I'm going to try to get these off without ripping off my lashes. And I'm gonna try it with the individual lashes, which I think will go better. It wasn't too hard to take off. So after that first round, it actually wasn't that hard to put on if I would have done it right in the first place, which is apply it to your natural lashes, not to your waterline. But something I'm noticing that I really don't like, I hate whenever eyelash glue glues my lashes together, not just like the top and bottom, I mean like pinches my lashes together on my top lash line. Really don't like when it does that. It can make your lashes look really unnatural. And it did say not to use a lot of glue, probably to prevent that from happening, but the lashes wouldn't stick if I didn't put more glue. I also think it's important to say I didn't put eyeliner on just to see how well they could blend on their own. So that's also important to remember. These are the Ardell Knotted Flare Trios in short black. That was seriously so easy. Okay, now I'm gonna try the seal. Oh, it just took one off. Okay, here is the first eye. It isn't awful. I think I'm going to put some mascara on because my inside lashes don't have any on, so it kind of looks weird because it looks like I don't have any inner corner lashes. I don't hate it. I can kind of see the lash bands, like the little knots, but I think that's kind of because it was hard to glue them super close because I'd already glued lashes before and it was kind of just getting messy. But overall, it doesn't look too bad. I think when I do it on this side, it's gonna be a lot easier because it'll be my first round of putting the lashes on and there won't be a bunch of layers of glue. Okay, I'm gonna go put some lipstick on and then I will give you my final thoughts. Okay, so I put lipstick on. This is the Hot Ombre Cosmetics Ombre Immortal Matte in Grunge Desert. So, final thoughts. I actually really like this. I think it's a really good product. I think I'm definitely gonna use it again. This was not a tutorial, this was a first impressions. So, I mean, it's to be expected that it doesn't go perfectly the first time. I think like fake lashes, normal strip lashes, this isn't something that you just do the day of. I think it's something you should definitely try before any event that you'd want to wear these to. But overall, I think they're really great. I'm not doing a wear test today, but my sister has worn them again on many occasions and she hasn't had a problem with them falling off or anything. And I really think they look good. I really like it. I think it looks really bad though with the lashes they come with. I think it looks good with the lashes I use, which is again, the short knotted flares. I also though am someone who likes a short lash. I don't like a super long lash because I have smaller features. So if you're someone who wants a false lash look, but you want it to look a little bit more natural, or if you want it to look a little bit more like lash extensions, I think this is a great product. Once I kind of got the hang of it, it wasn't hard. Some specific things that I don't like how it glued my lashes together, but now that I have these lashes on, because they go under your natural lash, you can't see your natural lash, so it doesn't actually make a difference. It makes a difference when you're using normal lashes because your natural lashes go over the false ones so you can see them. That's not the case here, so that's not really an issue. Another problem I do have is that they are gluing to your natural lash. And so if you're gonna buy this, definitely use the remover that they gave you. The applicator was great. I think it was really awesome. Another tip that I have is to definitely press your lashes together when you're done, but don't do it until after you use the sealer, because I did and it just came off. On the topic of the sealer it comes with, it does go on white, and I'm sure it's supposed to dry to a clear, but you know, it doesn't really do that. A lot of things that are supposed to dry clear kind of still have a white cast. And so I definitely go in and put on a black mascara after so you can blend that. But overall, I think this was a win. I definitely think I'll use this again. Kind of wish I had tried it sooner so I could have used it at past events. I think this was a success. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.